What's up, Halloween 2020? That's right. Get ready to head out, do a little trick-or-treating around the neighborhood over at Rich and Carly's. It's our annual trick-or-treat location, so it's looking pretty good so far. I know. I suck.
Okay, Mark just has like, grab your candy and go.
Dictator. And then we have our... Where are you?
Fairy godmother!
Oh, she's a fairy godmother.
Sexy godmother.
Oh! Somebody wants something.
And a witch.
Fitting, right?
Sexy witch, come on now.
Sexy.
Yeah.
Sexy.
Oh! And this is why...
Hi.
Look at the dragon. Princess. Princess. Is that a dragon?
All right, so we get it. Like, if you don't want to participate in Halloween, it's your right? It's your house. You can just leave your light off. That's usually enough inclination that you don't have candy, but some of these people like go to like great levels to tell you they have no candy. Like huge signs.
Yeah, there's some huge signs right back
Big
there.
old signs, like blocking off their driveway. Like, all right, we get it. No candy.